Intex is a 21-year-old company, from selling IT peripherals to selling televisions and washing machines now. Intex's revenue has grown as it aims to provide consumer durables at an affordable price. Intex started manufacturing their own products as their portfolio and its share increased in the market. We visited one of their manufacturing facilities in Noida and in Jammu on Intex invitation. At the Noida facility, Intex is assembling their feature phones and also their smartphones. The total capacity of these plants is 3 million units per month. Intex has a market share of 8 to 9% in the phone segment. Now it's not just about assembling. There's a lot that goes on before the component and the products actually hit the conveyor belt. So first thing first, all the key components come in the storage. Some samples are picked up randomly from the lot and tested using various parameters. Then the phone is assembled together and put through various tests before the assembly starts. After getting the OK, all the components are put on the assembly lines. By part, things are put together meticulously with no margin for error. The PCB moves on and all the key components are put into it. And when the phone is finally put together, it still has to go through some last-minute tests before it's packed, sealed and ready to be shipped. A team effort indeed. Besides phones, Intex is also manufacturing its own chargers and batteries, 2.5 million chargers and batteries per month to be precise. A simple charger has a lot going inside before it gets ready to charge your device. Putting in all those resistors and capacitors and transformers to being aged for hours plugged in, it's a quality control process. Same goes with battery. The cells are charged and discharged to test their cycles. Then they are put on through some very rigorous tests like thermal tests, drop tests, or in short, all the abuses before they are approved for packaging. We also visited the speaker manufacturing facility in Jammu. Here, all the Intex speakers are tested and assembled. Just like the phones, all the speaker components are first tested based on various parameters, and after clearing the passing mark, they are sent for assembling. Now on this day, computer speakers were being assembled. So it starts with making those wooden cabinets that will house the speaker. Then of course the speaker is fitted, all the cabling is connected and soldered, and after putting in every component, the aesthetics are taken care of. Again, the speakers are tested and then they're ready to be packed and shipped. So phones, speakers, televisions, washing machines, refrigerators and air conditioner. Intex is getting you all at an affordable rate.